We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and say?
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed because we have a good time on this channel. Today's video is a hair install, and the wig we're installing was provided to me by WOWANGEL. They sent over a quick and easy wig, and if you know me on this channel, if you're familiar with my hair videos, you know that I love a good pre-everything wig because I'm a glueless girly. I love to wear wigs on a daily, but I love easy everyday wear and go or pick up and go type wigs, and this one is definitely one of those ones, but it's quite different, and I'm going to get into the details shortly. This wig is a 9x6 wear and go glueless wig. They sent over 250 density and it's in the length 26. Like I said earlier, this wig is pretty much a pre-everything type wig. It's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-customized, pre-plucked. Everything is done for you. You don't have to do anything. I love how thin the lace is. It has tiny knots, so you know that it's going to melt perfectly into your skin. Going back to the 9x6, this is a really efficient lace because you can also wear this wig as a frontal and no one will know that it is a closure because it's 9x6, and 9x6 is pretty much the maximum lace that you could have for a closure wig. One good thing about this wig that I absolutely love, it is the cap construction for the wig. It's quite different. We've been complaining about how the cap that they would use on wigs would pretty much hurt our ears, and they listened, you guys. So the cap is pretty much customized to our head shapes, so it falls right behind your ear, so you don't have that annoying cap sticking out from the side when you wear your wigs. You guys know what I'm talking about. There is typically extra cap that falls right on your ear, and sometimes that could be really painful, but with this new cap construction, you guys, that is completely eliminated. It can swoop right behind your ears and without any issues. You can comfortably put this wig in a low bun because of this new cap construction. This wig can be 100% glueless. You don't have to use adhesive, you don't have to use glue. This is an easy, beginner friendly, absolutely wear and go type wig. Another thing I really love about this wig is the cap that was used in the wig construction. It is extremely stretchy and it's really breathable. This wig is given handmade construction. It's not given machine made, which is something that I really love. And because it's glueless, it has the anti-slip elastic band attached to it. This wig is everything. It's an easy, absolutely beginner friendly wig. I 100% would recommend. Like I said, direct link to the exact wig that I have in this video is going to be linked below. Follow me on my socials, Instagram and TikTok, which is definitely linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you I go, I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in.